Hello Odoo and welcome back to our Odoo accounting series. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an Odoo tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily import a chart of accounts in Odoo step by step. First, prepare your Excel or CSV file. It should have these columns: account name, code, type, and if needed, groups or tags. Each account should have unique code and account type like assets, liability, income, or expense. Now log into your Odoo and open Accounting module. Click on the configuration and select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down. On the top right corner, you will see an import button. Click on it. Upload your CSV or Excel file. Odoo will show your columns. Now map each one to the correct Odoo field. Before final import, click on Test for any errors. If everything seems valid, click on Import to upload your accounts. Once you import it, you will see your new accounts listed in the chart of accounts. And you're done. That's how simple it is to import a chart of accounts in Odoo. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.